this episode of StanceCo. We got some cheesesteaks, eh?
I like how you throw the eh in Canadian Steve's. It's been so long since it's been a year since we've been down here. I love it.
Hello. This is Mike's 240 S15.
Yeah, Morgan just decided to tell some kids that my car is an S15. Because
they bought it.
They bought it. And they think my car is an S15. And they want to hear it rip, apparently.
Yo, bitch, I got some buzzers clawing at my fucking stomach. I'm from the shadows, left the gallows, made the summit. Hear the trumpets rolling in like it's 300, left the battle.
I'll just go around you. No, it's on Broad Street. It's up here.
Are you Philly people or what?
Ah, Jesus Christ. That kid's probably telling his friends, like, dude, we saw a sick 240 a while.
240 I've ever seen before.
It was an S15.
Like it.
Left-hand drive S15.
Meanwhile, Jeff's leaving in a fucking
JCX.
No one gives a shit.
Yeah.
The kids are like, oh, sick Camry, dude.
The other kids like,
Gold seat.
what is it?
Oh, are you serious?
See, I was closer. Jaguar is English.
Them, so
I know, they know we're not going to double check. Now I'm not sure.
you guys are bullshitting hard.
Could be a 240.
It's an S15.
It's a 240 actually.
It's a Nissan S16.
That's 550. It's an Accord.
I did not know Aston Martin made a car look like that.
550.
It's not.
You're such a liar. It's a fucking Porsche Panamera. It's a Porsche Panamera. I could tell by your face from across the street. I was like, she knows.
We stood there and we like stared at it. We're like, it's an Aston Martin.
That's what really hurt my ankle on the way over there.
We're jogging and we're just goes, ow.
I could tell by your face walking back over here. I'm like, she's wrong. And she knows she's wrong. Oh, that's dope.
Wow.
That is so cool.
That's really cool. Oh yeah. Oh.